Ever wish you could cut through the market's chaos and get a clear read on trends, plus a heads up when things might flip? That's where the gradient trend filter by Timeframes comes in. A slick tool that filters out noise, keeps signals snappy, and even hints at momentum shifts or reversals. In this video, I'll break down what this indicator does and how you can use it to sharpen your trading game. If this gets you pumped, smash that like button and let's dive in. To get this tool on your chart, head over to TradingView, my favorite platform. No account? I'll drop a sign-up link in the description below. Pull up any market, crypto, stocks, forex, on any time frame, and hit the indicators tab. Search for gradient trend filter by, of course, Timeframes and add it. A big shout out to them, by the way. Boom! You've got the gradient trend filter ready to roll. This isn't just another run-of-the-mill indicator. It uses advanced noise filtering tech to show clear trend directions with a colored line and a unique gradient cloud that doubles as dynamic support or resistance, making it a killer addition to any trading setup. So what's on your chart? First, you will see a main trend line, green for uptrends, and of course red for downtrends. It's your go-to guide for the market's direction. Then, orange diamond markers pop up to flag confirmed trend reversals. The real star, though, is the gradient cloud wrapping the trend line. This cloud changes color before the main line, giving you an early warning of momentum shifts, like a red cloud in a green uptrend signaling the bulls might be losing steam. Plus, the cloud bands act as dynamic support or resistance zones, which is super handy for trade planning. Let's peek at the settings. Open the panel, and under the Inputs tab, you'll see the source, usually set to close, works fine, and the length defaulted at 25. Swing traders can pump up the length for a smoother line to catch bigger moves, while scalpers might lower it for faster signals, though it could get a bit noisier. Experiment to find your sweet spot. You can also tweak the line width or colors for a custom look. In the Style tab, keep the trend line and diamond markers checked, and keep options like price scale labels and status line values on for easy reference. The defaults are solid, but tweaking the length is key. How do you trade this? For starters, use the trend line for direction. Green means look for buys, red means scout for shorts. It's great at filtering chop, or the trend is usually legit. The cloud's your early warning system. If it turns red in a green uptrend, brace for a pullback or reversal. Green in a downtrend means bearers might be fading. Orange diamond with a line color flip, red to green or vice versa, confirms a reversal for bullish or bearish setups. For the best trades, use the cloud bands as dynamic support or resistance. In a green uptrend, wait for the price to pull back to the cloud's upper edge and bounce. That's a prime long entry, and it's hitting a support zone. In a red downtrend, look for a rally to the cloud's lower edge with a rejection for a short entry, signaling resistance. This lets you enter trends at better prices without chasing. In short, the gradient trend filter gives you a clean trend view, early momentum cues, and precise entry-exit zones with its cloud. It's a game changer for staying on market's right side. But heads up, this isn't a financial advice though. Pair it with your own price action or fundamental analysis and practice thoroughly before trading real money. And if you're looking for different approaches and ways to turn any trading strategy, including this one, into a bot with alerts so it does the job for you 24/7 while you're not around, make sure to check the recommended playlist on your screen. If this sparked some ideas, hit that like button or subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.